Okay, we're gonna try this again. I'm sorry that the video I sent yesterday did not work. I have no idea why, because I could see everything that I was doing on my end, so I have no idea why it didn't record in the video, but we're gonna try it again. And hopefully, and I will pre-screen the video again to make sure that it worked, okay? So let's see. I'm going to share my screen right now. Nope, not that. Try that again. Okay. I think you can see what I'm doing. So these look a little different than what we did the other day. The other day we started with a blank number bond and pictures. Today we're going to do the opposite. Today we have a full number bond, and we're going to create the pictures to match. Okay, so I'm just going to use squares, colored squares. And then we could practice on another page doing it with shapes. You can do it with emojis. You can do it however you want, just to match your number bond, okay? So if I look at this number bond here, I can see that this number bond here has the 6 in the hole. So I need to make sure that I have 6 boxes. Let's check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We do, so that's good. Check. So if I did not have 6 boxes, I would have to make more boxes or take some away to make sure that my number matched, okay? If there were 7 boxes here, I would have had to take 1 away. If there was only 5 boxes here, I would have had to add more. You have to have the correct amount of shapes to match what's in the hole, okay? Now up here on this part, it says 5. And this part says 1. So I have to have 5 of something and 1 of something else. All right, so let me see. I'm gonna do, for my demonstration, I'm gonna do 5 blue. Didn't I just do that? Yes. 5 blue, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 blue, and let's do a green. Let's do a green here. Okay. Don't pay any attention to that green. Okay. So now my set here matches the number bond. There are 6 dots all together, and 5 of them are blue, and 1 of them is green. Okay. Let's try it again. 6 in the hole. Now the number bond is rotated. So how do you know that this is the hole? Well, it's the one that's connected to both parts of the equal sign, and these 2 circles are not connected to each other at all. So those are our parts. So let's make sure we have 6 again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We do. Okay. Let's do, this part says 4. So let's do 1, 2, 3, 4. And this part, okay, we'll go 1, 2. Perfect. So we've got 4 green, 2 purple, 4 green, 2 purple, okay? And then now let's go down to this number bond. Again, the number bond is rotated, but I know this is the hole because it is the one with the equal sign coming out of it, and these 2 parts are not connected to each other. So we have 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's good. So we're gonna do a 3 and a 3. So how about we go, and you can do it like this too. You can go 1, 2, 3. And then go 1, 2, 3, right? It doesn't matter how you group them, just as long as you have the correct parts, the correct number of parts. Okay, so there's 3 purple, yep. 3 black, yep. 3 and 3 is 6, awesome. 4 and 2 is 6. And 5 and 1 is also 6. We'll get rid of this purple one up here. Okay, So when you do your pictures, which I think well, I know Sky, you did this already, but just for the sake of this video, I'm gonna put some numbers into this number bond. Let's see. Let me put, let me see, I like 5 in the hole. And I'm gonna put 1 and 4 in my parts. So now my pictures have to match my number bond. So how many in my set do I have to make sure I have? 5. It can be only 5. So now I get to decide, what do I want to do? Let me see. I'll do smiley faces. Oh, I'll just do faces. Okay, watch this. I'll do faces. Here we go. So here's 1 smiley face. So I've taken care of 1. Now I've got to come over here and I've got to do 4. Oh, let's do 4 frowny faces. Oh, 1, 2, 3, 4. So altogether, I have how many faces? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Check. I have 1 happy face. Check. And 4 frowny faces. Check. So my number bond is correct. 5 equals 4 plus 1. Now, what I love about Seesaw is that you can use stickers, you can use shapes, you can use emojis, you can draw pictures just like I just did. The most important thing is to make sure that when you are done drawing your pictures, you have no more and no less than what this number in the hole is. So if the number is a 5, you can only have 5 pictures. If the number is 7, you can only have 7 pictures. If the number is 1, you can only have 1 picture. You might be saying, how can you only have 1 picture? Well, I'll show you. Let's pretend that we had 1 in the hole. So that would mean my parts would have to be 1 and 0. Okay? Because 1 plus 0, a lot of kids don't understand the concept of 0. 1 plus 0 is 1, right? If I have 1 Oreo cookie and I give you 0 more Oreo cookies, how many cookies do you have? 1, okay? So that's what your picture would look like. 1 smiley face plus no more smiley faces equals 1. 1 plus 0 equals 1. If I have 1 slice of pizza and the cafeteria doesn't bring me any more pizza, well, I only have 1 slice of pizza, right? So thinking about 0, just think about 0 as you're getting nothing, 0, zilch, nada. You don't get anything more than what you already have, okay? So that is today's lesson. You're gonna have number bonds with numbers in them, and your job is to create the set, like the ducks, right? Create the set that matches the number bond. I really, really hope this video recorded properly. Let's go see.